In today's video, I'll show you how to embed Acuity scheduling on your website step by step. If you want clients to book appointments directly from your website without leaving the page, embedding your scheduler is the best option. First, log in to your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Integrations or Client Scheduling Page section from the left side menu. This is where embedding options are available. Now look for the option called Embed Scheduler or Embed Code. Click on it and Acuity will provide you with a piece of code. This is usually an iframe embed code that connects your booking page to your website. Next, copy the full embed code carefully. Now go to your website builder. This could be WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or any other platform you use. Open the page where you want to display the booking system. Then add a new HTML block or embed block depending on your platform. Paste the Acuity embed code into that section. Save or publish your changes. Now visit your website and check the page. You should see your Acuity scheduling calendar directly embedded and ready for clients to book. If something doesn't display correctly, double-check that the code is pasted in an HTML section and not a normal text block. You can also adjust the size of the embed by editing width and height values in the code. Before finishing, always test the booking flow to make sure everything works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Acuity scheduling on your website and made booking easier for your clients. And that's how you embed Acuity scheduling on your website. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.